Did you know that lemurs are not just fascinating creatures of Madagascar, but they also play a vital role in shaping the island's ecosystems? Lemurs, through their feeding and foraging behaviors, serve as crucial seed dispersers in Madagascar's ecosystems. As they consume fruits and other plant materials, they inadvertently transport seeds to different locations, helping to regenerate and maintain the biodiversity of the island's forests. In some cases, lemurs are the primary dispersers for certain plant species, making them essential for the survival and propagation of these plants. Their role as seed dispersers helps to shape the composition and structure of Madagascar's unique flora, making them vital contributors to the island's ecosystem dynamics.